Good. Okay, lean forward. A little bit more. A little more. Okay. Loosen up. Loosen up.
Okay,
Come on.
I'm trying.
Smile.
Okay, I got it.
All right. Now, undo the top button. On your blouse. Undo it.
How's this?
Lean forward, all right? A little bit more. Show us a little bit of curve. Hold it. Sit. You're not giving me anything. No personality, no energy.
I'm sorry, I feel a little bit weird.
You want to talk about it?
It's personal.
I care, Lucy. I'd like to know what's bothering you.
It's... My granddaddy was lost in a helicopter crash recently in South America.
I heard.
I know it shouldn't have anything to do with all this, but it does.
You afraid that he wouldn't approve of you modeling?
No. It's more like... It's just hard to relax with him on my mind so much.
Tell me about it.
Really?
Yeah. I'd like to know about him.
My granddaddy was a terrific man. It would take me hours to tell you about him.
I have the rest of the day free.